Now type 3 problem for probability distribution function is find probability in some interval. Previously we considered one example. There we have to find that value of k as well as probability lies between some interval, right? So here is the third type. Now what they have asked us, the first problem is given the PDF of continuous random variable x, f of x equals to x square by 3 for -1 less than x less than 2 and equal to 0 otherwise, and we have to find probability of x less than 1, probability of x less than -2, probability of x greater than 0, and probability of 1 less than x less than 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 probabilities we have to find by using this function. As x lies between where to where? X lies between -1 to 2. Where it is given? Here x lies between -1 to 1. So range of x is -1 to 2. So its lower limit is -1 and upper limit is 2. Now if I want to find probability of x less than 1, so I have to consider my function is defined from where to where? -1 to 2. And what they have asked me? Probability of x less than 1. So from -1 I have to consider till what? Till 1. So this is integration x equals to -1 to 1 f of x dx. Why this is so? Because x lies between -1 to 2 and we have to find probability of x less than 1. So is equals to integration -1 to 1. But what is your f of x? F of x is nothing but x square by 3, right? So x square by 3 dx, but this 1 by 3 is constant, so consider outside the bracket. And what will be integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube by 3. According to definition, integration of x raised to n dx equals to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So again this 3 is constant, so consider outside the bracket. So what we will get? 1 by 9. Now put your limits. X cube upper limit 1 is 1 and lower limit is -1. So this will be 1 by 9 into 1 cube minus -1 bracket cube. So 1 minus 1 cube is -1, minus becomes plus. So your final answer is 2 by 9. So probability of x less than 1 is 2 by 9. Okay, now come to the next one. Here probability of, I want what? Probability of x less than -2. So they have defined probability distribution function again in the interval -1 to 2. So what are our limits? Limits are from -1 to 2, and they asked us for what? Less than -2. So for this interval the probability is 0, right? Now come to the third problem. They want probability of x greater than 0. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. Again here this integration will be x cube by 3. Put the value, we will get answer as 8 by 9. And for the interval 1 to 2, I will write my function as what? 1 to 2 f of x ds. Again this 1 by 3 is constant. Integration of x cube by x square is x cube by 3. Consider this 1 by 9 here. Put the upper limit as well as lower limit. So what you'll get? 2 cube is 8 minus 1 7. So answer of probability 1 less than x less than 2 is 7 by 9. So this second problem, probability x less than -2 equal to 0, that we already wrote here. Okay, why? Because the function is defined between -1 to 2. Rest of all it is 0. I hope you understand.